Hello guys, so how to get Spotify on Mac. So Spotify is one of my favorite music streaming apps and I really like it and I listen to it both on mobile and on my Mac. So there are two ways to listen to on Spotify on Mac. First one is just opening web player. You just go to spotify.com, sign up. You can sign up for free. It's a Spotify basically, it's a freemium app. Then you will be redirected to openspotify.com and just from here you can start listening. So that's it, that's how you listen to Spotify on Mac. But I don't really like this experience. More I like this Mac desktop app. You just go to spotify.com, go to download, and then you will have Spotify installer. So what you need to do is just open it. So it's a standard Mac installer, so you just click on it and then it will just install itself. I just don't want to install it again, but it's super simple. And what happens after that, you will just have this really nice desktop app which I really like, and then you can just start listening to your music on Mac. And of course, if you have premium account, you can just download music and listen to it offline on Mac and other stuff like that. So that's how you get your Spotify on Mac. Happy streaming!